Yeah, dear students, here is ninth problem. So the ninth problem is the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? Okay, right. According to this ratio, we should find out first the present ages. So let the present age of Rahul is equals to 5x years. Next, Harun is equal to 7x years. These are their present ages. Okay, but one more condition in second line. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. 4 years later means after 4 years. These are the present ages. After 4 years, their ages will be, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So here I am taking 4 years later. 4 years later case. So 4 years later, the age of Rahul, is equals to, so 4 years later means 5x plus 4 years. Next, the age of Harun, is equal to, this is also 7x plus 4 years. See, their sum is 56 years after 4 years. So that as per condition, so we have see what, so 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56 years. So this is a linear equation. Just you add these variable values, 5x plus 7x, this value is 12x, plus 4 plus 4, this is 8, is equals to 56. Is clear? Now take transpose 8 to right side. So this will be 12x is equals to 56 minus 8. This value is 56 minus 8 means it's purely 48. Now transpose 12 to right side. So x is equal to 48 upon 12. So we know 4 table. 4 ones are means 12. 12 table. So 12 fours are 12 ones are 12 fours are. So x value is 4. X value is 4 means, see, x equals to 4. Now we need to find out present ages. So therefore the present age of Rahul is equals to 5x. Okay, which implies 5 into 4 is equals to 20 years. 20 years. Is it clear? 20 years. Next Harun age. The present age of Harun, which implies 7x. So this is 7 into 4. This will be 7 fours are 28 years. 28 years. Okay. Yeah. Okay, my dear students, the next question is 10th question. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than, this is important, 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class strength? Total class strength. For example, this is your 8th class. Okay, so in your 8th class, the number of boys and girls are in the ratio 7:5, but boys are 8 more than the girls, because boys strength is more, girls strength is less. Then what is the total class strength? Here the question. Okay, right. So based on that, I am finding here, let the number of boys is equal to 7x, and let the number of girls is equal to 5x as per the conditions. Okay, but boys are 8 more than girls, so boys strength minus girls strength is equal to difference. How much? It is 8. Difference is 8. Now 7x minus 5x means 2x is equals to 8, because difference is 8, right? So x value transposing 2 to right side, which implies 8 upon 2 equal to 4. X value is 4. So therefore the number of boys is equal to, actually it is 7x, which implies 7 into 4. This value is 28. These are the boys. Next, the number of girls. The number of girls is equal to 5x. So 5x, that is 5 into x value is 4, which implies 20. These are the girls. But the question is asking total class strength. So therefore, total class strength is equal to 28 plus 20 is equal to 48. This is the class strength. Is it okay? Right.